Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Flying with British Airways in 2026? Don't get caught out at the airport with surprise fees or gate checks. Today, I'm breaking down the latest British Airways baggage policy, including hand luggage, checked bags, fees, and pro tips. Whether you are on a budget economy basic fare or flying club world, this 10-point guide has you covered. Let's dive in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Point 1. Cabin baggage allowance, free for all. First up, hand luggage. Every British Airways passenger gets 2 free cabin items, 1 main cabin bag, max 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters, that goes in the overhead locker, and 1 personal item, max 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters, like a handbag or small backpack that fits under the seat. No strict weight limit is usually enforced, but it must be manageable. This applies across all fares and cabins in 2026. Point 2. Checked baggage by fare type. Checked baggage depends on your ticket. Economy basic, hand baggage only 0 free checked bags. Standard economy, usually 1 by 23 kilograms bag. Premium economy, 2 by 23 kilograms. Club Europe Club World, business 2 by 32 kilograms. First class, 3 by 32 kilograms. Always check your specific booking and manage my booking, as some long-haul routes may vary. Point 3. Size limits for checked bags. Checked bags must be no larger than 90 by 75 by 43 centimeters, 35 by 30 by 17 inches including handles and wheels. Anything bigger could incur oversized fees or be refused. Max weight per bag is generally 23 kilograms in economy premium or 32 kilograms in business first, never exceed 32 kilograms total per bag. Point 4. Executive Club and Status Perks. British Airways Club members get extras. Silver members enjoy a higher weight allowance, up to 32 kilograms, and Gold members often get an extra free bag. These perks apply across cabins and are a big reason to join the loyalty program if you fly BA regularly. Point 5. Extra and excess baggage fees. Need more bags? Buy them in advance via Manage My Booking, much cheaper than at the airport. Extra bags typically cost £20 to £120 plus one-way depending on route. Overweight, 23 to 32 kilograms, or oversized bags, flat fee around £65 $100 per bag per journey. Prices vary, use BA's baggage calculator. Point 6. Liquids, restrictions and power banks. Security rules still apply, 100 ml liquids in a clear bag, though some UK airports allow larger with new scanners. Update for 2026, spare power banks and lithium batteries must go in hand luggage only, not checked. Check prohibited items list on ba.com before packing. Point 7. Special items, infants, sports and medical. Families, kids and infants get extra free items like pushchairs, car seats, or travel cots. Sports equipment and musical instruments often have special allowances or can be carried as checked bags. Medical devices and mobility aids are usually free and don't count toward your limit. Point 8. Baggage on partner and codeshare flights. Flying with a codeshare or partner airline? The operating carrier's rules usually apply. Always double-check your ticket and the partner's policy to avoid confusion on multi-leg journeys. Point 9. Pro tips to avoid fees in 2026. 1. Weigh and measure bags at home. 2. Add extra baggage online early. 3. Consider upgrading your fare if you have lots of luggage. 4. Use BA's app for real-time updates. 5. Arrive early, strict enforcement at gates is common. Point 10. Final advice and official check. Bottom line, policies are generous compared to some low-cost carriers, but they vary by route, fare, and status. Always verify your exact allowance in a Manage My Booking or BA's Baggage Essentials page right before travel. Rules can have route-specific tweaks. That's the full 2026 British Airways baggage rundown in 10 points. Safe travels, pack smart, and comment below with your BA experiences or questions. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Fly safe.